How to turn off voicemail on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to turn off voicemail on Android in just a few steps. Without further ado, let's begin. Option 1. Contact your service provider. So you can call your mobile carrier's customer support request to disable voicemail on your account. You can follow their instruction. This is the most reliable method. Option 2. You can change phone settings. Open phone app on your device. Now tap three dots at top right corner and select settings. Scroll down, tap on voicemail and select advanced settings. Tap number. If any number is saved on your voicemail number, you have to delete it and tap on OK. This will disable voicemail on your device. So these are the two ways to disable or turn off voicemail on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.